In this training video, we will show you how to save any of your forms. These are all your forms, your call reports, such as this form, which is pulled up, or any of these. So you want to save them to your desktop. Okay? Very easy to do. Just simply click on Save, and this drop down comes up. And you saw the call report before, and here's your estimate. So let's say you didn't want the call report, so deselect it, take it off. But all of these checked off in blue are the ones that are going to be saved. And it saves it to your desktop. And you all have different computers, so you can save it in your own way. But it'll go to your desktop, into your download. We also have the daily log too. So that's all your notes as well for each particular job. So all these can be saved just by selecting them. The next thing you can select is the PDF type. So do you want these to be saved as a singular PDF? So you'd have many PDFs that are within the file, okay, as individuals. Or do you want to save all of these as one PDF, which is usually what I would do. You certainly could do that by selecting there. Also, we have these video icons that if you need help and need to watch this training video again, you can click on these right here. They're all throughout the whole program. You can also access them in the training area, but when you're on a particular function, these video icons are right here, and this will be the video for this item only. So very easy to use. So in this case, everything's been selected for your forms that you want to save. Now the next step is easy. Just click on Save, and these forms will save to your desktop within your download. Depending on what computer you have, you'll know where to access it and save it on your computer. It's that simple. To your success, and thank you for watching.